Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Upwork account. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to create Upwork account. So let's get started. So guys, to create Upwork account, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Upwork and press enter. Now simply click on first link. So if you already have an account, so you can simply click on login. But if you don't have an account, you have to simply click on sign up. So here you can see two options. I'm a client hiring for a project. I'm a freelancer looking for work. So here I'm going to select I'm a freelancer looking for project and simply click on apply as a freelancer. So you can see some options: continue with Apple, continue with Google, or continue with email address. So here I'm going to continue with email address. So enter here your first name and your last name. Then your email address. That is my email address. Now create here a strong password. Scroll down and select here your region. Already selected Pakistan. Then simply check this box: yes, I understand and agree to offer terms and services. So simply click on create my account. So you can see written your account has been successfully created, redirecting you. So verify your email to proceed. So simply click on go to Gmail inbox. Now verify. So click on verify email. Here you can see congratulations, your account is verified. Redirecting. So guys, our account has been created. Simply click on get started and from here you can modify your profile. This take a while, so you can do this by your own. So guys, here you can see our Upwork account has been created. So you can also create Upwork account by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.